Help Center Tutorials. How to make a cash withdrawal on Precision Systems POS. Protect your cash and avoid any fraud attempts by making withdrawals while keeping track of your POS device, iPad or iPhone. Note that only the manager has the right to make withdrawals. Go to Cash Out from the Cash section of the menu. Authenticate yourself a first time in order to be able to make the withdrawal and visualize the list of the previous ones made during the day, by inserting your manager access code on the numeric keypad that will be displayed. Then press the +Levi button to record the operation on your cash register. Once it's done, a chat box will be displayed. Enter the amount you have deducted from your cash drawer in the field Amount and validate to save the operation. This way, your withdrawal will appear in the list of withdrawals for the day or session and will be taken into account when calculating the differences. Note that once recorded, a withdrawal cannot be modified or deleted. You will be able to consult all the withdrawals made from your administrator interface as well, from the web or on your My Precision mobile application.